A piece of ice keeps its form stable for long. A stream runs down along rocks. It changes its shape according to what landform it encounters. The frog in mountain is as light as gauze. It floats in the air softly and endlessly. Ice takes a consistent form while stream does not. Stream has weight and runs on rocks and sand while frog does not have. Matter in this world always has contradicting difference, and each of which identifies itself by showing different existence and nothingness in certain characteristics. Water cannot be formless and taking consistent form at the same time, and cannot take weight and takes no weight at the same time. When matter exists, it cannot take both states of existence and nothingness for the same characteristic, but should take either one of them. Matter is a collection of many existence and nothingness. They are like windows on the body of matter. Some of them open, some of them close. Through an open window, we can peer into one characteristic of the matter. If the composition of opening and closing of windows changes, matter then changes and transits from one item to another item. The creation of a transiting cycle of dualism is based on this. This work explores the dualistic relationship between matters and considers how matter transits from one item to another item by doing a dualistic change of one of its characteristics, from nothingness to existence and vice versa. A wooden plank without being painted is original and natural. The wood being painted, however, becomes an artifact. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of artificial addition from nothingness to existence. A scroll being painted is a fake, while a scroll produced by mounting technician is a true scroll. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of factuality. The folded scroll on table has empty content. However, when audience unfold the scroll on large table, the scroll shows image. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of content from nothingness to existence. The image on scroll at the large table is projected virtual image, while the painting in the scroll on top of the cabinet is an original. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of eternity from nothingness to existence. The black cubes on the planes inside a plastic box of the medium cabinet are flat. The wooden cubes on the small cabinet, however, are three-dimensional. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of height from nothingness to existence. The wooden powder heaped on the black mirror is loosely broken into pieces. The wooden plane next to it, however, is in one piece. A transit from the former stage to the later stage is a transit of completeness from nothingness to existence. Matter shifts its state through dualistic change of certain characteristics. It keeps transiting and circulates endlessly in a circle form. In terms of technology, a transiting cycle of dualism adopts an original code recognition system. This system is developed according to the characteristic of Chinese scroll. The code and scroll are integrated by a specific method in order to achieve a real-time interaction between the scroll and the projected image. The production of a transiting cycle of dualism breaks through certain technical obstacles and consumes more than 6 years to finish.